Hi guys, welcome back. We have another beautiful house tour for you guys in Lubowa, 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, seated on 24 decimals. The asking price is 650,000 US dollars. Negotiable. It's very stunning. So let's dive right into the video. Let's enter the house and check it out. You take these stairs, enter the door. This is the living room area. It's very lovely. I love the colors, white and a dark brown. Ample lighting within the space. Very nice finishings. Look at the ceilings. They are beautifully done. Beautiful chandelier. I really love it. To lead us into the dining area, very nice and white in color. It overlooks the kitchen, which is black and beautiful. Let's take a look at the balcony of the dining area. Look at those views, guys, that you do get. Very stunning. This is the sink for the dining, very nice and black. So let's walk over again and enter inside the kitchen and check it out fully. Welcome to the kitchen. Beautiful, nice black marble counters. Look at those storage cabinets, guys. Look very stunning. There is ample lighting within the kitchen. They did a very good job with that. Overall, it's a very attractive kitchen. So let's come back and check out the visitors bathroom right here. If you don't want them to access the bedrooms, this is what they can use, and there is a shower as well and a toilet. This is the first bedroom. Very nice, white walls, ample lighting with a beautiful closet. Look at that smoothness, guys. Nice and brown in color. This is its bathroom. All bedrooms in the house are self-contained, and then this is the shower for this bedroom. This is the second bedroom next to the one that we've just seen. Same style. Nice brown closets. The finishing looks beautiful. This is the bathroom. Ample lighting, looks really great. I had to do 2 shots on this and a closing as well. So let's take these stairs. They come from the living room area onto the first level. There is a family lounge, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and the master bedroom. So let's check it out. This is the lounging area for the family. It has the same design as the living room area, and then it has this very huge window to let in ample lighting, and then you have a very nice view of the neighborhood when you're in the lounge. And then this will take you right into the second kitchen of the house. The house has a total of 3 kitchens, beautiful cabinets, a brown in color, nice marble counters. This is the third bedroom. A look at that lovely color, guys. What I love about this house is there is ample lighting, so it gives us this indoor-outdoor feel. And this bedroom has its own private balcony where you get these beautiful, stunning views of the neighborhood. So this bedroom, which is the third bedroom, and the fourth bedroom really look the same. And then same closets like the ones that we saw earlier. Of course, beautiful lighting in the ceiling. And then this is the bathroom. So from here we're going to go and take a look at the master bedroom. Welcome to the master bedroom. Very nice and spacious. This is the master balcony. It has beautiful views of the neighborhood that we have been seeing, and I'm sure you can tell by now that this house is seated on a hill. That's why you have these amazing views. And then this is the master closet. And then this is more closet space within the master. So come, let's check out the second balcony of the master bedroom. From the second balcony, you have views of the neighbors, a very stunning neighborhood, and then you also have a view of the road that is leading to the house, nice and tarmac. So now let's check out the master bathroom. Welcome to the master bathroom, guys. Nice white sink where to do your morning or evening routine. You have a lovely bathtub. It's a jacuzzi right there where to enjoy a nice relaxing bath. A closing on the sink because it looks very stunning. And then this is the shower. You do have a nice black shower with different outlets. Then you do have a very nice view from the bathroom window. Going to take these stairs, go past the living room area. Look how stunning it looks from this view, guys, and then go into the ground level and check out bedroom number 6. This is the 6th bedroom in the house. The house has a total of 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, so it's completely separate from the main house. You can access it right from the compound when you enter. It has its own balcony, and guys, it's raining. I believe you can notice it started to rain. It has its own bathroom, and then it also has its own kitchen. Remember, I told you guys the house has a total of 3 kitchens. Looks as lovely as the rest of the kitchen. Nice black colors. Let's look at the sink. Nice water pressure. Looks really beautiful. And then the kitchen has a little storage room where you can store whatever you want, guys, maybe food. This is the parking lot. It's big enough to accommodate at least 7 cars. And then this beautiful green space with very lovely flowers that just make the house look so attractive. The fence is electric with CCTV cameras all around, even through the house. I forgot to mention that earlier. And this brings us to the end of this beautiful house tour in Lubowa, seated on 24 decimals. The asking price is $650,000 US, 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. A very lovely home. If you are interested in the property, reach out to me. I'm going to leave my contacts in the description and top of the comment section as well. And be sure to check out our website to see more property listings in Uganda. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys on the next video.